going on, guys? More Medic One here. Today I want to show you a really cool website, outdoorpowerinfo.com. Get it typed in here. And I love this website for looking up belts. If you know your belt number, let's just say we want a drive belt 144959, and it's going to come up and it's going to tell you over here on the left column the manufacturer, the part number, and the length of the belt and the width of the belt by the part number. Now we can also look up belts by length. And let's just say we want to look up an 88-inch belt with a half-inch cross-section. Search, and it's going to give every manufacturer that runs an 88-inch belt. You're talking about Allis-Chalmers, AMF, Ariens, AYP, Briggs & Stratton. So any of these manufacturers with an 88-inch belt with a cross-section of 1/2 inch. Look here, we got Goodyear, we have Gravely, Husqvarna, MTD, Murray, Noma, Poland, Roper, Sears. I mean, the list goes on and on. It even gives your Stens number, your Tractor Supply number, Troy-Bilt number. This is how I like to look up my belts. One of the things that I love about this website as well is you can go to the engine specs. Click on that, and we have Briggs & Stratton, Honda, Kawasaki, your main ones, your Kohler, Tecumseh. Let's just say you want to see what the cylinder head torque is on a Briggs & Stratton, so you just click on that, and it gives the model number here. So let's do a 287-707 series, so 28 cubic inch L head. They have a 287-707 with the overhead valves. Let's see. Oh, here it is. 287 overhead valve cylinder. You're talking about inch pounds, so about 220 inch pounds is the torque spec on that cylinder head. And as you can tell, here are all of the model numbers, and here is the description or type of engine, and it gives all of your specs here to the right.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get all my new videos. Have a good day. More Medic One.